The regular meeting of the Malibu City Council for Monday, February 28th is now called to order.
Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Len Fine. I'm the Business Operations Manager for the West Coast for Clipper Creek. We are an organization who designs, manufactures, and has been awarded a grant by the California Energy Commission to upgrade chargers that are obsolete designations that have been around since the 90s. And I want to take a minute just for a second to thank Suzanne Max, who proactively on her own, not being an association or affiliation formerly with Clipper Creek, for coming forward to assist the city of Malibu in bringing this thing forward.
There wasn't action taken since that time, and we found out at this meeting that the power was not on, and we found out prior to the meeting that the city is eligible for a grant, that the city can have the chargers fixed, refurbished, and replaced for free. And Lululemon also made an effort to help out to pursue this.
Good evening, Mark Olson, Southern California Edison. And third, the electric vehicle charging. We have met with the city staff, and the electrical vehicle charging unit that's in front of the library there was installed in 2000. It was deactivated at the request of the city in 2004 because it wasn't being used at very minor use. The type of equipment that's on there now, though, is old plugs that are not the standard. There's a new standard called the J-plug. So we're just ready to work with the city and your vendor whenever you decide that you want to update that, if you want to update that.